Alright, so the GoPro is over there charging. So we got the handy dandy Canon handheld video camera out that I haven't used in a while. But today we're going to put in some JBL Concert 521 5¼ inch two-ways into my 11-year-old cargo van. So let's see what big of a sound difference that makes. We're going to keep the stock head unit for now. So this could be an exercise in futility, but I think it'll make it sound better all the same. So let's go check it out. Okay guys, so this is the hardest part right here, but this piece of trim comes off pretty easy. There's a little hole right down here on the inside of the handle. Stick a flathead screwdriver in there, put a little bit of pressure this way, and it pops right off. I would have shown you, but I didn't realize how easy it was going to be. Inside here are two T20 bits, so you will need the little Torx bits, and they're quite a ways in there, so get yourself a decent length driver to pull them out. One up there, one right down here. And these speakers are readily available at like Best Buy, you know, just about anywhere. I got mine from Crutchfield because they always include the little wiring harnesses that will make life super easy. And you want to put everything back together. So, little plug to Crutchfield there. The screws, there's about 9 of them, and they're located all along the sides and bottom here. They are not hard to find, but they are a little hard to get to, these first couple, because they are, maybe if you had like a little electrician's shorty, that would probably be your best bet for getting these guys out, because you don't have a lot of clearance to get in there. So what I'm using here is not ideal. It's hard to get the pressure on there, and I want to make sure I grab these things, get them out of there without stripping the head off. And there we go. Two down. Give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can get a better screwdriver. Okay. And we're back. So, this is what you need right here. A little electrician's screwdriver. Oh, check it out, dude. You ever seen one of these? It's a freaking canwich, dude. Peanut butter and jelly. Grape flavored jelly. Apocalypse food in a can. And right now it would probably take the apocalypse for me to eat it, because I think I've had this thing for a decade. Some salesman dropped it by, and I just found it in my garage in my tool chest along with my little stubby screwdriver. So let's get back to work. Alright. There we go. And yes, there is a Torx hiding in there. Well, you would be the cause of all of my problems. Now, Wow. Can you see that?
That is crap. Oh!
That's so crappy, I can't stand it. Get it out of my face. Oh, it's crappy. Actually, doesn't look too bad for being 11 years old and how loud I usually crank the tunes driving down the road. So I won't fault it too much for being a POS. Okay, so in the back here, you just want to separate the speaker. Easy peasy. Get your Crutchfield bag of tricks right here. Just got the adapters for you, so you don't have to solder anything, which is always a major bonus. Alright, take this Ford adapter, snap in until it locks just like that. Got to get our handy dandy new speakers out here. Ooh, check it out. Instructions with only pictures. Sweet. Okay guys, that does take a little finagling. So get your white is your positive, and that goes on the thicker terminal. Your black is the negative, it goes on the smaller terminal. Use the old ones. So that's it, guys. All there is to it. Concert 521 from JBL in a 2010 Ford Transit Connect. Now, just put it all back the way you found it.